want a really simple way of making money, you need to watch this video. Okay, so we have 1 minute classic candles. We have our 10 Williams. We need to go and add the volume. And for some reason, I feel like the volume is new on here. But anyways, we're going to keep it as default. I just don't like these colors. So up is blue, down is pink. That is better for my eyes. I like it. Okay, so if we scroll out, you're going to notice a couple things. Look at the volume. I'm going to take a couple vertical lines to show you what I'm talking about. We're looking for where we have higher volume bars than the others. So for example, we have a blue one that's coming up. Before that is red, then blue. Let's make it a little bit bigger. But then we have two higher red candles. So I'm referring to this candlestick and this candlestick. Now, if we take our horizontal lines, grab a couple of them, and we drag it down to the bottom of this red one and the top of it, and then the top of the previous candle, you will notice that we now have support and resistance. You will also notice that when the candles actually hit these regions, these areas, and we're going to include the wick, when it hits these areas, we have rejection. Okay, I've won probably like over 200 trades doing this, just using support and resistance for this. And you can go back further. So if we drag this horizontal line back here, this is the candle, this little almost doji. So we would have support and resistance on that one. If you drag it up, you will notice that that next candle starts there. The wicks stop there when they come back up. So if we change this to be, let's leave it at 3 seconds. So if the candles come down to this area, I can buy for 3 seconds, or I can change it to a 1 minute flag and I can buy for the rest of the candle. If it goes up to this area, I would sell. Now, because we're below the SMA and we're in a downtrend, I'm going to sell. So if the candle comes up, we're going to sell. All right, so it looks like it's coming up. Let's wait and see, and I'm going to sell. So we have 18 seconds left on this trade. And there you have it. So yeah, if you want a very simple way of making money trading, this is it. Now, I learned this from a dude on TikTok, except for he went to the daily chart and he drew the support and resistance there. But when you go to the daily chart on pocket option, you'll notice that for the majority of the charts, all the candlesticks are the same. So that doesn't really serve our purpose. If we go down to, let's say 5 minutes, we might be better off at 5 minutes because 5 minutes support and resistance is stronger than 1 minute. So if you really want to make sure that you have proper support and resistance, go down to 5 minutes, draw the lines based off the bars, and then go down and trade on 1 minute. So I hope this helped you.